Today we will review and test Antex GX700 mid-tower CPU case. This CPU cabinet offers you a toolless drive bay. There is enough space inside to apply a good hardware configuration. It provides you a robust design. The cost of this case is Rs 4500, which makes it a budget solution. You can add up to 5 different hard drive in this. You can add a dual GPU. On the top side you have option to add 4 optical media devices, and you can also apply a liquid cooler. It already comes loaded with two 140 fan on the top side. You can build a good gaming PC through this CPU cabinet because it gives you ample of space inside to fit up a different cooling solution. You can add different storage devices. Being a mid-tower case, it is one of the best budget solution available. The following is specification of GX700. You can see the case type, which is a mid-tower case. It comes in two color, black and military green. This is the cooling solution available. It comes with two 140mm fan, and you can also add 240mm radiator for water cooling. There is a one 120mm rear fan also available, while there is an option for adding two 120mm front fan on the front side. This is the maximum CPU cooler height. You can add up to 172mm of CPU cooler here. For water cooling, we have rear cooling support. These are the drive bay specification. These are the front panel specification. There are two USB 3.0 port with two USB 2.0. The front audio support HD audio, and a fan controller is provided. For PCI, there are 7 slots available. The cabinet does not come with any PSU. It has a cable management option also. These are the side panel features, and below you can see dimension and weight. After checking the specification, you can see this is a fully featured mid-tower case. We can build an entry-level or high-end gaming PC on this. It has a nice design and ample of expansion slot. The body is also very durable. On the front side, you can see we have 4 drive bays. These are the 4 drive bays. This is a click and clasp design. You have to push this panel from the back side, and you can place a front optical drive on this. At the bottom there are 2 power buttons, among which one is the power key and the second one is a reset button, and below this there is a panel available to add a 120mm fan with a dust filter. You have to place a fan from the back side. You can see there are 2 slots. While on the right side you can also add one more fan. This is the back side of Antex GX700. On the top you can see there are 2 rubber grommet for external liquid coolers. This is the back panel, and there is a fan available on the right. At the bottom there are 7 expansion slots. They are easy to remove. Nothing is available on the left side. We have 2 USB 3.0 port and 2 USB 2.0 port with audio jacks. These are 3.5mm audio jack which supports HD audio. At the right side there is a flip axis fan controller. You can adjust the fan speed through this. There are 2 140mm fan that comes attached with this CPU case. This is the bottom side of Antex GX700. There is additional dust filter available that is placed just below the PSU. It is easy to clean. So this is the overall design of Antex GX700 CPU case. You can see it has different cooling solution available. On the top side we already have a big size fan. Well, we have an option to place one more on the front side. We'll just open the case and we'll see what all different options are provided inside. Now this is the internal part. You can see we had already configured the system. We are using AMD FX 8350 8-core processor on this, and we have attached Antec Cooler H20920. This is a portable liquid cooler. There is 8GB RAM which is from Kingston. It is an HyperX Blue RAM. The board which we are using is Gigabyte 990 FXA UD5. The graphic card that we are using is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 650 Ti, and there is a single hard drive which is Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. And the PSU at the bottom, you can see it is Antex 750 watt. It is an earthward green PSU. So this is the overall hardware configuration that you can see. It is a kind of a mid-range system, and still we have ample of space available. We can add one more graphic card here. We can add at least 5 hard drive. So that was the hardware configuration, and you can see the liquid cooler placement. We have applied 2 fans here and the radiator is in between. Still there is ample of space inside this. For hard drive there are 5 bays. These are toolless drive, but the drive can be removed from the back side. These are not removable from the front. To remove the drive you just have to push the bay outside. You have to place the hard drive first on this. In this way you can add up to 5 hard drives quite easily on this. This is the toolless drive bay. You just have to hook the hard drive on this. You can also place an SSD. There are 4 you can see the screw hole available. You just have to place the hard drive. And being a mid-tower case, Antix GX700 offers you ample of option to make a mid-range gaming PC. You can also make a high-end by adding a 2 graphic card, but if you add a portable liquid cooler, there is a amount of less space left inside. You can add a different fan also. It comes in 2 different colors. It is ideal for building a mid-range gaming PC. By applying a good hardware setup, you can make a reliable system through this. It has smart cable management option through which you can make ample of space inside. You can add different fan to enhance your cooling option. The positive aspect of this case is it has a sturdy design. It gives you toolless drive base. It has a fan controller on the top side. The front audio port support HD, and it is ideal for mid-range gaming PC. While the negative aspect is these drive bays are permanent. The panel cannot be removed. You cannot remove it, which can be helpful if you want to add multiple graphic cards. And this front portion, which is quite easily removable when you push it outside. You can see this, it is very easily, it get out very easily. So this is the second negative point of this cabinet. That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.